Good morning, friends. So, today we are going to understand two things. One is talking to yourself in English, and second one is reading more and more books on English subject. Okay, so I tell you that these both the things are very important in terms of improving our English communication skills, but still we are going to differentiate it today. So I am going to share my personal experience, my personal journey, while doing or while improving my communication skills. Whatever I have done, I am going to explain that in video. So be with me in this video till the end of this video, so that you will also understand that what effort you should take, so that you will also be able to speak, or you will have that confidence to speak English in front of the people. So first of all, we are going to understand talking to yourself in English. So when you talk yourself in English, there are specific bunch of the sentences which you can practice with yourself. Okay, but when you are reading, then you will come across so many different structures of sentences. So when you are talking to yourself, there will be a limited sentences which you know, which you understand, which you have studied earlier. So those many sentences only you can practice. So there is basically a limitation in variety of sentences. You will not have so much variety of sentences when you are talking to yourself. But on the other side, if you are reading books many, okay, when you are reading a lot, you will come across so much new content, and which will help you immensely. Okay, every day you will come across new sentence, and that sentence will help you improve your communication skill. So what you can do, you can note down those sentences, you can take the note of all those sentences separately, and then you can practice, you can have practice session with those sentences separately. So that is how that new sentence will help you in adding more knowledge in your communication. So I feel like when you are reading books, reading stories, definitely that second step will definitely help you in improving your communication. Because that when I practice with myself, see, when I practice, I can repeat single sentence multiple times. Okay, but when I read the sentences in books, that time I can read multiple sentences. I can note, I can mark those sentences whenever I want it, and those sentences can be noted down separately. So that is very important whenever you are practicing, whenever you are reading, whenever you are studying English. Definitely you should talk to yourself. I'm not denying the fact that talking to yourself will never help you. It's not like that. Okay, you should follow that trick also, but it should be limited. Okay, but you should focus more on reading the books, more on reading the stories. Short stories are there, you can read those stories and you can improve your communication. See, you can download the app from Play Store, and you can read the stories. See, one story is about 50, 60, 70 words. You can finish it within a minute, and you can in 5-10 minutes you can finish out almost 8 to 10 stories. So every day you will be able to read different structures of sentences, and you can note down those structures, those new sentences separately, and you can have separate practice session on it. So this new trick will definitely help you, and I strongly believe that if you are practicing this way, definitely you will improve your communication skills very